Hello everyone, so let's get started with this beautiful poem that we are going to do today. And the name of the poem is Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. We all know how famous Robert Frost is, and he has done some immense work. And this is one of his most inspirational poems which teaches us a lot. So let us have a look what the poem is about. Let us take a brief introduction of the poem. Here, let us have a look. The poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a simple and short poem, yet with a deeper and larger meaning. This poem tells that even a simple moment has a great significance. This we'll understand when we look at the poem. Now let us have a look at the poem and the explanation. Before I start on, I would like to briefly mention the two elements, the main elements of the poem. One is a crow and the second one is the hemlock tree. These are the two main elements of the poem. Now let me tell you that a crow and a hemlock tree, both are the symbols of bad omen, negativity. We associate these two things with bad luck. But these two things prove to be a positive aspect for the poet. Let us see how. So, let us very quickly have a look at the poem. Let us read the first paragraph. The way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So, the first paragraph consists of these 4 lines, very simply written. The way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. It's very clear, but it has a deeper meaning. Let us have a look at the explanation of this paragraph. Let us see what the poet is trying to tell us. Here, in these lines, the poet is talking about a winter's day when all the tree tops were covered with snowflakes. See, you can see these snowflakes falling down. The poet is in a bad mood and walking by a tree, a hemlock tree. So here he is walking by a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Suddenly a crow came and sat down on this tree, and because of this sudden motion, the mass of snowflakes from the top fell down on the poet. This shower of dust of snow from the hemlock tree is evidently the subject matter of the poem. So here, when the poet is in a bad mood, he moves out of his house and he goes out, and it is snowing outside. So he just sits under the hemlock tree, and hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. So it is a symbol of bad luck. People generally don't like to go near this tree. So what happens next? See here, let us look at the paragraph over here. Now what has happened? Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Now here what does the poet mean? Very simple language. Let us look at the explanation here again. So here the poet says that for reasons unknown, the poet was in a bad mood. Probably something bad had happened. But the shower of dust of snow lifted his mood instantly. Lifted his mood means suddenly his mood became okay. He had wasted his day being in bad mood, but some part of his day was saved by the crow and the hemlock tree. Generally, hemlock tree and crow are used for negative references, as I have told you. But the poet used them beautifully to portray that inauspicious things can bring joy and happiness too. One must not take things for granted and should be open and accept whichever way the nature chooses to bless us. So here we can see that the crow and the hemlock tree, both of them, which are negative symbols, proved to be such positive things for the poet. So here the poet is trying to give us a hope that it's not that we should always take things for granted. Things change. So let us look at the summary here. The poem Dust of Snow tells us about the curative power. Curative means which cures. The curative power of nature. Nature has the cure for everything, whether it is a bad mood or illness. The poet is going through one such bad day when a crow suddenly swooped down on him dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The snow instantly makes him happier, suddenly changes his mood. The nature made him realize that his problems are petty. Petty means small, and he should not waste his day like this. The crow usually symbolizes bad omen, bad luck. Since the crow is not related to goodwill, it is ironic that in this poem he did an honest deed by shaking off the snow. So here the crow acts as a messenger of happiness for him. The poet chooses the hemlock tree, which is related to poison and toxicity. The alluring snow that adorns the poisonous hemlock tree's branches is shaken off by the scary crow. The crow throws the snow on the poet. The feel of snow changes his mood. He decides to forget the regrets of his life. Regrets means when we have a lot of things to feel guilty for. So he decides to forget the regrets of his life and follow the path of healing of his inner soul. So how beautifully the poem has been described, and how beautifully the poet here tells us that it is more important to be positive in life, look at our problems in such a way that we should be hopeful that everything happens, whether good or bad, and has to be tackled that way. So here the two symbols, the crow and the hemlock tree, both of which are seen as negative things, as symbols of bad omens, and generally people do not like to associate themselves with these two things. But here these two negative things prove to be positive aspects for the poet, and he realizes that because of these two things only his mood suddenly changed. Just because he was sitting under the hemlock tree and the crow suddenly came there, sat over the branches and swooped down the dust of snow. So these two things brought in a positive change in the poet. He suddenly had a change of mood and he thought that he has saved some of his day. Otherwise he would have been sitting at home and regretting, or maybe feeling bad for all the things that happened. So this poem symbolizes that there is a positivity in everything. So I hope you liked it and you followed it also. So have a nice day. Thank you.